guys, welcome to Comfort Life Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing scrubs that you could use for your scalp. Well, as you know, with time, when you keep using different styling products, hair gels, even a conditioner, if you apply directly on your hair, if you do really use hairsprays, you kind of have some buildup on your scalp because you normally exfoliate almost every part of your body, or every part of your skin. So we could actually do and should do the same for our scalp. If you ask me who needs this cleansing DIY scrubs, I would say that once you see that your hair, even after shampooing, feels greasy, weighted down, also when you feel that you have dull looking hair, there's like no life in it, when you start developing dandruff like flakes in your hair, I guess that might be the reason why you should start doing this cleansing scrub, as the prevention of dead skin cells and dirt building up on your hair, on your scalp. These scrubs will help to degrease or maybe even detox our scalp without stripping natural oils. So for the first scrub, I'm going to use the oatmeal. We shall need 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal, and this is a small spoon, so I will need 4 of this. The oatmeal will gently exfoliate your scalp and also moisturize it. What's more important, it's going to increase the circulation. The next ingredient is the brown sugar or the coconut sugar, or probably just any sugar you have on hand, and we also are going to use 2 tablespoons. So we're mixing these two, and the last ingredient is going to be hair conditioner. Well, you can use obviously the one you're normally using, and I'm going to use today the coconut milk conditioner, or pretty often I use my favorite brand, the Nature's Gate one. We shall need another 2 tablespoons, and I already know that the amount that I have in this pouch is exactly what I need. And all we need to do is try to mix it as much as we can, so it's going to form a paste. If you feel it's too dry to work with, you could obviously add a little more conditioner, but I'm pretty sure that you could see it's getting it's incorporated and forms kind of thick paste. That's exactly what we need. The way you're going to use this first scrub, you would need to first shampoo your hair, so you sort of get rid of any dirt or product. Then you would need to get a little bit of this in your palm and start working it through the air. What's very important, you have to really massage your scalp in circular motions. Actually, even if you don't use any kind of scrubs, like degreasing scrubs, while you're washing your hair, I think it's very important to really pay attention to the scalp massage. It stimulates the circulation. It will absolutely make sure that your hair has a lift, that it looks healthier, and actually will tremendously help you for, growing hair if you have any problems with the hair loss. For the second recipe, we shall need 2 tablespoons of sea salt. We're using sea salt because it's full of minerals, and it will help you to degrease your hair, remove the dead skin cells and dirt without stripping natural oils. It will also remove the product buildup, which gives hair a lift, so it's really perfect for hair in need of a boost. The next ingredient is going to be olive oil. Well, as far as olive oil, you could use 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. It actually depends on the hair length, so my hair is actually medium length, even I'd say on the short side, so I'll be good with just 1 tablespoon. We're using oil because we don't want salt, to dry our scalp, although it really shouldn't, but every, scalp is really different. Besides, olive oil will help us to get rid of the dandruff flakes if we have any. The fatty acids in olive oil will help us to coat hair, provide moisture, and also protect against the damage. And the last ingredient we're going to use is going to be lemon juice. It will dissolve the product residue, and if you have fresh lemon, you could use 1 to 2 tablespoons of that. I am going to use essential lemon oil. I will use about 5 drops of it. I guess I have 6 here, but that's fine. And now you mix everything. Don't be afraid that the salt looks very coarse here, but it will definitely melt once you start using it. And that's how the second scrub looks like. You're using the second cleansing scrub actually the same as the first one. You massage it into your scalp, and I would say you need to massage it for 1 or even 2 minutes. You really have to do some job here, and then just make sure you rinse it off thoroughly. But because we're using the oil, you will need to wash your hair with shampoo after using it. So with the first scrub, I'd say you wash your hair with shampoo first, and with the second scrub, I'd say you could just start with the scrub first and then wash your hair with shampoo. Besides that, I would recommend you to use the method when you finish washing your hair with cold water. It's really good, and it helps the hair to look shiny. I am going to use these 2 scrubs later, so I'm just going to put the lid on them. And absolutely, you could prepare them in advance because nothing should go bad, and make sure you store them in the refrigerator. Now, I'm going to show you the last recipe here. It's extremely simple. We are going to use baking soda as the base. You shall need 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda. This recipe will help you to absorb the oil and also purify your hair, doing a very great cleansing effect. Maybe we should even call it a clarifying shampoo, because we shall mix the baking soda with shampoo. When earlier I said that you could use this method as the prevention for any product buildup, I'd say use this once a month at least, and it's going to give you great results. The next ingredient I'm going to use is going to be tea tree oil. It will help us to eliminate any bacteria and dandruff, because tea tree oil has antifungal and antiseptic properties. I'm going to use another 5 drops of tea tree oil. Okay, I believe it's 5 drops here. Once we mixed baking soda with essential oils, we shall need to add the last ingredient, and that would be the shampoo. Today I'm using just the California Baby shampoo. I like to use it here because it has tea tree oil already and lavender. I believe it's really great for your hair, and it's actually a good quality shampoo as well. So I'd say you need a big squeeze or 1 tablespoon. So I'd say this would work absolutely well. See, it mixes really nicely, also forms a thick paste. That's exactly what we need. And the way you're going to use it, you will just make sure that you massage it into your scalp and the roots, and make sure you spend a little time doing that. I'd say a couple of minutes at least. It's going to be easy to work with it because we're using a shampoo. It will definitely help to get rid of the dead skin buildup and also remove the accumulation of any products you have in your hair. Once done with the massage, rinse thoroughly with warm water and then finish with the cold water. I would also need to note here is that if you have colored hair, I would not recommend using this scrub. And of course, you could prepare it in advance and keep it in your bathroom until ready to use, or in the refrigerator. That's what I'm going to do. I really hope you guys like these 3 recipes. They're extremely simple to prepare. It really doesn't need a lot of crazy ingredients here, and it's very good because it will help you to detoxify your hair. All 3 recipes, I believe, will promote hair growth and really make your hair look healthier and shinier. Besides that, I would also recommend to use apple cider vinegar rinse every time you finish washing your hair, and that's really amazing. Don't be afraid of the smell of apple cider vinegar because it evaporates so quickly, so you won't even notice that after your hair is dry. So I hope you guys like this video. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you all the best in your DIY products when you want to have some natural skincare, hair care routine. Thank you so much for your attention. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.